The BMW i8 is one of the most distinctive and forward-thinking sports cars ever produced by BMW. Introduced as part of BMW's i sub-brand, which focuses on sustainable mobility and innovative engineering. The i8 blends futuristic design, hybrid technology, and impressive performance into a single package. First unveiled as a concept in 2009, and later launched as a production model in 2014, the BMW i8 quickly became a symbol of how performance and efficiency can coexist. Unlike traditional sports cars that rely solely on large gasoline engines, the i8 uses a plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor. This combination allows it to deliver thrilling acceleration while also reducing fuel consumption and emissions. One of the most striking aspects of the BMW i8 is its design. The car looks like something from the future, with sharp lines, aerodynamic curves, and dramatic scissor doors that open upward. These doors not only enhance the car's visual appeal, but also improve practicality. In tight spaces, the body is constructed using lightweight materials such as carbon fiber reinforced plastic, CFRP, and aluminum. This construction method helps keep the weight low while maintaining structural strength. The low stance, wide body, and flowing aerodynamic shapes are not only stylish but also functional, reduce drag, and enhance stability at high speeds. The front of the BMW i8 features BMW's signature kidney grille, but in a closed design that reflects its electric capabilities. Slim LED headlights give the car an aggressive and modern appearance. From the side, the sweeping roofline flows into the rear. The floating buttresses at the back are not just for looks. They help guide air efficiently over the car. The rear of the i8 is equally impressive, with U-shaped LED taillights, bold diffusers, and sculpted panels that emphasize its sporty character. The overall design is not only visually appealing but also highlights BMW's commitment to combining aesthetics with engineering efficiency. Inside the BMW i8, the cabin continues the futuristic theme. The interior is driver-focused, with a clean layout and high-quality materials, reflecting the eco-friendly philosophy of the i brand. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, offering good support during spirited driving. The dashboard features a digital instrument cluster that changes depending on the driving mode. The infotainment system is controlled through BMW's iDrive interface, which allows access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings, ambient lighting, premium audio options, and advanced connectivity features enhance the overall driving experience. Despite being a sports car, the i8 offers a surprisingly practical interior with small rear seats that can be used for passengers or extra storage.